guys, it's me, toca. So now we are going to the beach. So before we are going to the beach, I'm getting ourselves ready. So I already took a bath and now Gavin and Alexa are playing together. Okay, so our key is safe in here. So let me just brush my hair. So come here, Alexa. I'm gonna go brush your hair. Okay, mommy. Okay, now, Alexa, your hair is so pretty. Gavin, could you please take care a little bit of Alexa? Sure, honey. Let's play here, Alexa. Thank you. So let's put this brush in here. So now let's eat something else. I think I'm good now. Gavin and Alexa ate already, so let's go. We're ready to the beach. Okay, so do you have everything? Yeah. Okay, so let's go. Okay, now we're here. So this apartment is we already checked in here about few months ago because my sister-in-law just got on a vacation and this beach we already knew this beach, so we are a bit familiar with this. So Alexa is going to explore because she's thirsty and while we are driving in the car she said that she's so thirsty. So there. So Gavin and I will just sit ourselves in this apartment. So BRB. So guys, I know a lot of you Toca Word players know this apartment because I'm just using this for content. So this bathroom is amazing and I visit this apartment a lot, so I kinda memorize the place. So the lamps are and here we have a crib for Alexa, so and we can open and close the blinds. So no. So now we are just going to the beach. Our this bag is only our bag because so we will not be going tired carrying our bag. So let's go, Alexa. Anyways, we are going to the it's not totally a beach, but in that beach there is a resort. Okay, so we're here. I know a lot of you know this beach too. You'll talk about later. So I have a so here Gavin, where are you Gavin? Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, so let's just order some drinks here. Okay, where I'm gonna carry Alexa first. Thank you. Oh, can you carry this bag too? Sorry for disturbing. Okay, we're just going in here checking the resort. Okay, so let's get this. Okay, I don't know how to open that, so I'm just so excited. Oh, it's for you. Oh, thank you. I don't know how to. So, so this is the sauna some. So I think it's kind of hot in here. Oh, MG, it's so hot. Oh, MG, don't go there. I know it's hot in there. So if you turn this on there, it's kind of be hot and foggy. You can see that. Okay, so I'm excited to swimming. Oh, me too. So what are you waiting for? Let's go. Yeah, mommy, please. Let's go to the swimming pool first, please. You're so excited, Alexa. Don't be too excited. You will get pressured. Okay, so I will just pause it in here. So I'ma find a pool. So this is the dressing area. So I'ma just dress Gavin. Can you hold Alexa first? Sure, honey. I'm just gonna look around here. Okay, so okay. Okay, so let's take a shower in here first. Let's put the towel in the shower. Okay, I'm done. So it's Gavin turns to put. Gavin, I'm done. Wait, I'm up. Alexa. Oh, this bag too, please. Oh, sure. Sorry. No. Okay. Okay, so this is the shower. So I'ma just dress up in here. We're gonna put our clothes in there. Okay, so I'm done. Let's go to the swimming pool. OMG, I'm so excited. I just put this bag in here. Mommy, I want to go in here. Okay, be careful. Oh, what did you do, OMG? OMG, so. Whee! So guys, as you can see, not Alexa just wearing her clothes just like that because we don't have clothes. So I forgot to dress up her. So yeah. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.